Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your Nvidia drivers are installed and current. This prevents missing options later. Once done, right-click an empty area on the desktop and choose Nvidia Control Panel, or open it from the Windows Start menu. Either method works. If the panel won't appear, make sure the Nvidia Display Container Service is running and then run the control panel as administrator. This first step gets you into the app quickly, so you can access display controls without delays or permission issues. Once the control panel is open, focus on the left-hand menu and expand the display category so you can see all related options. Click Change Resolution to pick refresh rate and resolution, or open Adjust Desktop Color Settings to tweak brightness and gamma. If you have more than one monitor, choose Set up multiple displays and configure primary/secondary roles. Make sure to use the Apply button after each change so you can test the result. If a setting looks off, you can revert or fine-tune immediately. To finish, apply any final adjustments and verify them with a video or game so you see real-world effects. If a change makes the screen blank, don't panic. Wait 20 seconds in Windows or the Nvidia panel will typically auto-revert. This safety net prevents permanent lockouts. If settings still misbehave, restart the Nvidia services or reinstall the latest driver package. These steps resolve most stubborn problems. Remember to document what you changed so you can reverse it if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.